Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong post ni Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile na inamin niya na so many people, sabi niya, galit sa akin. So kawawa naman ang ating manong Johnny Enrile. Bakit maraming tao ang galit kay Secretary Enrile? Okay. Tungkol po ito sa post niya 4 days ago, yung parang minamaliit niya yung rally ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Okay, basahin ko muna itong latest post niya 18 hours ago, yung nagpaliwanag siya sa mga taong nagagalit sa kanya, yung tungkol sa post niya sa Iglesia ni Cristo rally. Sabi niya, so many people, especially members of the INC, were so riled, were so angry at me for the post I made recently about the INC Peace Rally. I would like to explain why I made that post. Okay, so balikan natin yung post niya mamaya. Pakinggan muna natin itong kanyang explanation. I am not against the INC. Kailan ngayon? Wala na. Maraming INC na galit kay Secretary Enrile. Not only INC, even non-INC members na nakabasa sa kanyang post. Nababasa ko sa mga comments. Talagang magpahinga ka na lang. Sir, Juan Ponce Enrile, huwag ka nang makisaw-saw. Ganon yung panila. Advice. I am fully aware that in this country, everyone, religious or not, is entitled to exercise the right of the people to peaceably assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. O yun pala eh. Aware naman pala siya. Bakit pa siya nag-post na medyo masama ang dating sa INC? O alam niya. So, ano bang masama sa ginawa ng INC? Tahimik naman. Malinis ang lugar. Before and after, napakalinis. Walang nangyaring masama. Bakit pa siya nag-post ng ganun? There is no question that the INC Peace Rally was a peaceful assembly. Oh, correct. But were there grievances to be redressed? Dito na naman siya. Dito na naman siya aatakin. Wala daw dapat ireklamo ang taong bayan. But were there grievances to be redressed? Pardon me for my impression. To me, there was none. Nako. I don't know. Ano na ba? Anyway, kanya-kanyang paningin. Wala daw dapat ireklamo ang taong bayan. Sa kanyang paningin, wala. Maganda. Hapsay. O, Bisaya naman yun. Yung noise lang. Everything is going well. Ang taong bayan, walang rason na magreklamo. No grievances to be redressed, sabi niya. There was none. To me, although it was well-intentioned, the peace rally was more like a political pressure to hinder a separate and independent department of the government to perform a constitutional duty. This was evident from the speeches delivered in that rally. Okay, comment ko. Bakit nag-rally ang iglesia? Ano bang punot dulo? Hindi ba dahil sa presidente? Sino ang unang nagsalita na huwag niyo nang itigil ang impeachment? Iglesia ni Cristo ba? Hindi naman Tahimik nga lang ang iglesia, hindi nakikisawsaw sa panggobyerno. Ngayon lang. Bakit sila nag-rally? Ang Pangulong nagsalita Sabi niya, huwag niyo nang itigil yung panawagan niya sa Kongreso. Huwag niyo nang itigil. Huwag niyo nang ituloy ang impeachment dahil it's a waste of time. Hindi nakakatulong ni isang pamilyang Pilipino. Ang presidente ang nagsalita, siya ang nauna. nag-respond lang positively ang iglesia. Anong masama doon? Ay, nako. On the other hand, the President, as the duly elected chief executive of the land, and one of the three independent and separate branches of the government, has the power and duty to coordinate with the two other branches of our government to achieve and maintain a unity and harmony in the efficient operation of the government and the society. No one can do that officially except him. Correct. Kaya nga nagsalita siya, nanawagan siya sa Kongreso na wag nang ituloy. O, ginawa ng Pangulo yung kanyang trabaho. Ang iglesia nag-respond. Nag-rally lang. It's a peaceful rally supporting the call of the President na huwag ituloy ang impeachment. Anong masama doon? Ito, ang masama is yung opinion ni Secretary Enrile na ito na yung post niya na binabatikos. There is a bigger question. Can the INC with all its members amend the Constitution or suspend any of its provision? Malayo itong post niya eh. Are we prepared to discard or sacrifice the value of rule of law for a person or a group of persons? Ito na. Dito na-steer yung galit ba o inis ng taong bayan, hindi lang INC. Dahil sinasabi niya na china-challenge niya na ang INC na kaya niyo bang palitan ang konstitusyon? Kahit milyon ang member niyo, hindi naman. Wala namang power ang INC to amend the Constitution. Alam nila yan. Ay, nako. Okay. So, ito, may last post siya. Parang surrender na siya eh. Ito. This will be my last comment on the subject we are discussing, yung tungkol sa INC rally. You have your own truth, I have my own. Neither you nor I have a monopoly of the truth. So be it, let the voters decide who is right and who is wrong. I represent no partisan group in this country. Huh? Really? Hindi siya, wala daw siyang dinadala na partisan group. Klaro na pro-BBM siya. Pro-BBM admin. Di ba partisan yan? I do not know whether you do. As far as the personal attacks, yan na. Personal attacks and issues you raise against me, the faults, the blames, the defects, and wrongdoings you attributed to me, as well as the ad hominem you threw against me, I am ready and willing to face anyone before the people in any forum to discuss and debate about them. Sinong naghahamon? Si Secretary Enrile ng debate. Sinong makikipagdebate? I believe, wala. Magbasa na lang tayo sa mga comments, ano? O yung people who reacted doon sa kanyang paliwanag. Out of 1,300 people who reacted, 705 tinatawanan, 495 lang ang nag-like. So, mas marami yung hindi naniniwala sa kanya. And then, yung comments. Nelson Jerez Kawili. Sabi po, Apo GPE, agtal na kalakit tumahimik ka na lang. Ed Alonan, sabi niya, the raison d'etre of the INC Peace Rally was clearly presented by Congressman Rodante Marcoleta. The grievances are serious and affect every Filipino to the core. It's Marcos Jr. you should be talking to, Johnny. So itong Ed Alonan, matanda na pala, kasing edad ni... Okay. Aries Masinsin Martinez. Sir GPA, why did the BICAM members sign a defective bicameral conference committee report? Why did Congress ratify the defective BICAM report? And why did the President sign the defective 2025 General Appropriations Act? Yan, ang daming question, ang daming grievances na dapat i-address. I don't know. Sabi ni Secretary Enrile, wala daw dapat ireklamo. All is going well sa PBBM admin. Well, yun ang nakikita niya, iba naman ang nakikita ng taong bayan.